DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Here's my video of camera set up for the rats. That's the pit of doom. Right now I've got it nailed down so they get used to it. It's a walk the plank thing. They get far enough out, they get dunked in here. And I'm going to fill it up with CO2. But I want them to get used to it. I got it loaded with food. And this is the ratatator, or whatever the fuck it's called. Raterator. They don't really work that good. Not many of them figure out to get in. There's the two, this is the one I fixed. So they have been doing that, hitting the plank. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rat traps. Then this is the chicken feeder. So I put food in there, and they'll gang up. There'll be like a bunch of them here eating at the same time. So I got the 12 gauge ready to blast them when I get a bunch of them in here. And this thing's full of, it used to be full of food. Now I'm just putting half a bucket in there. And so if I put too much food in there, they scatter all over the fucking place. I don't know if it's the rats or who's doing that. And then this is the dog feeder. I got it blocked up. I want them to be hungry. I want them to go for the traps, or go for the see, I put a board in front of it and some rocks. The other day they moved that rock right there. and got in. But I was set up with the 22, the air rifle, and I leave a little hole here, and then they go in, and then I shoot them if I can right there when they go in there. That's the only way to get in. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that. Yeah, I'll show you guys some video of them, checking all this out. It's pretty interesting. They're fucking smart. Most of the ones that I've been catching are little ones, There's some big ones around, ones that have got a lot of experience, They won't get caught in these, and they probably won't go in there, and they may check this out. I don't know. I haven't seen any real big ones yet, but those are the ones I need to get, because those are the ones that are breeding. Anyway, I think the war is over. They ate 2 of those 1 pound, just one bite rat bars, just called just one bite. And that's the 3rd one, and they're not eating it much anymore, so I think that most of them are dead. Oh, look at that. There's a piece right here. I didn't even notice that. Anyway, I'm just going to leave this here, and then if rats show up, hopefully they'll eat it and die, and so I don't get another infestation. I'm going to show you some videos, and we'll see if we can find any of them. I think there's got to be at least a few of them left, right? Smart ones. Well, there's at least one left. There's his eye. There he goes, right there. Look at that sucker. Not like there's 8 or 10 like before. That's one right there. You can see his beady little eyes glowing in the infrared. These traps, they're not hitting these anymore. They're too smart. This guy's being cautious too. But at least one left. Probably about 5 when you think about it. Anyway, that's pretty much the end of the rat wars. I'm just going to leave that poison out, and hopefully they'll all fucking go bye-bye. Alright, onward and upward. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.